Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be creating a Zentangle Cityscape drawing, and we are going to add some designs and patterns to our paper today. The only thing that we'll need is a piece of paper and something to draw with. Okay, so let's get started. On your paper, start to draw some freehand curved lines. That will be the baseline for your cityscape. Now we will draw the building outlines. Let's start from the top. Once you are done with drawing the outlines, we are going to start to add patterns. Think of some patterns and design that you find interesting and start to add them to your drawing. An easy and simple pattern to begin with is drawing random circles. Another simple pattern could be adding small polka dots. Also, you can create an effect of shading by increasing the density of the dots. Once you start drawing patterns, your brain will automatically start to think of new ideas for designs. This is actually one of my favorite pattern, which I call the muscle. To add a little contrast to the drawing, I'm making some of the building blocks solid color. So our city is done. How about we turn some lights on? Hope you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.